If you've seen previous videos on this channel, you might remember that disaster that we had with that 35-foot oop tunnel out there. It got covered in snow, and the snow as a result weighed down on those pipes that hold that entire thing together, and the entire thing collapsed, kinking all those pipes to a point where it looked basically unrepairable, which would have been a real big loss just at the start of growing season. And if you'd not seen what happened on that video, I'll just show you. Another disaster. The weight of snow overnight has collapsed oak tunnel. It's bent all pipes. I'm hoping I can straighten that out, because if I can't, that's a disaster before we even start growing season. Never want to give up on anything. So we've had a bit of a think. I've tried out some of the ideas that people put to me about warming up that pipe, and maybe it can return to its former shape, because I'd hate to think that I could lose the entire tunnel and have to start from scratch. So we got some of those pipes that were really severely bent, and we popped them in greenhouse, because we've had 2 or 3 nice sunny days, and most of those pipes started to return to their original shape, which is amazing. There were, however, a couple that didn't make it because the kinks were so bad. Even though they straightened out a little bit, when you try to actually fully straighten them to put them back into that oop tunnel area, the pipe split, but only on a couple of pieces. And thanks to Claire and that donation that you made, we just popped out and we bought the short length of that piping to make up for the couple that broke. And since that happened, we had suggestions come pouring in from all the followers of this channel, which was so much appreciated, that everybody wanted to try it and help. And as a result, we've ended up with this. Well, that's certainly a sight for sore eyes. Managed to get this entire oop tunnel repaired thanks to support of people on this channel. Tried out a few of the ideas that people suggested, and at minimum cost managed to get this back up and running. We just need to tighten all netting down outside now, and jobs are good. As always, thank you very much for all your suggestions. That's helped remedy that situation. And for the rest of this week, we're going to carry on getting all these seed sowings done so it can fill all those tunnels with as many plants as possible, ready for when this warm weather does it. And we'll also start and tidy up the compost in those tunnels, and we'll get some of these onion sets in there and some shallots, because we didn't do any of those last year, but we thought we'd give them a go again this year. And we've got lots and lots of cabbage plants that need to go out as well. Over the next few weeks, we'll be cracking on with those jobs and starting off as main plantings for 2023. Thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you on the next update. Take care.